For the past 2 years, 140 Maruti workers have been in jail in Haryana for an outbreak of violence at the car maker's plant in July 2012. But now, a shocking fact has emerged. The Haryana government, under Congress rule, appointed as its special prosecutor in the case KTS Tulsi, senior advocate and Congress MP. NDTV has accessed details to show Mr. Tulsi charged the state close to 11 lakh rupees per hearing to appear against factory workers, totally billing the state a whopping 5 crores plus for 2 years legal work.
More than 140 workers of Maruti's Haryana plant in jail for over 2 years after one plant manager was killed in a July 2012 outbreak of violence. To prosecute them, the then Congress state government hired KTS Tulsi, a senior Supreme Court advocate and since February 2014, a Congress Rajya Sabha member. His bill for the 2 years he has represented the state against the Maruti workers, a whopping rupees 5.5 crores. An RTI on his fees, accessed by NDTV, shows that Tulsi alone charged about 11 lakh for a single appearance. The fees for 3 assistants, 66,000 rupees for a single appearance. Even in a high-profile case, those are huge numbers for any government to pay as legal fees to its special prosecutors, especially for cases in a trial court. In contrast to Mr. Tulsi's fees of 11 lakh per appearance, the coal scam special prosecutor was paid rupees 33,000 for each appearance. When NDTV asked KTS Tulsi about this, he lost his temper. I mean, in a case...
I'm not discussing my fee.
You don't have to discuss, but since this is public money...
I'm not going to let you discuss the fee. My fee is a matter of privilege with my client. And I can't discuss it with you.
Vrinda Grover, who represents the workers in the Supreme Court, said it was hard to see how such a major expense was in public interest.
So if the state thinks that it required an SPP, that I leave to the discretion of the state. I would not comment on that. However, for the state to bring in a very senior advocate like Mr. Tulsi, that is also entirely the choice of the state. But to pay a fee which is coming out of public money, what would be an appropriate fee? What would be an proportional fee? I think if we look around, we'll have to see whether this would be appropriate.
The new BJP government in Haryana says that hiring Tulsi is an example of the old regime's excesses.
It has come to my notice that senior Congress leaders, and KTS Tulsi is certainly one among them, he is a member of parliament also from the Congress side, were paid amounts which are highly questionable, which by any stretch of imagination cannot be explained. So certainly huge amounts were paid in Maruti, arson case, and questionable payments were made. Yes, we are looking into the matter.
In December last year, Tulsi was dropped from the case, but not before a massive sum of public money has been spent on a high-profile lawyer to take on ordinary workers. Manas Roshan for NDTV.